south of the Pendine Sands even.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you're here.
I love coming here.
You love it?
I love it here.
Maggot's been one of our long-standing stall holders. I think he's been coming to our events right from the start since '92. And here he is still going, but today not only does he have his stall in the Aber Hall, as he calls it, he also has brought his motorcycle along in the show. His 1920s Brough Superior. So we're going to talk to Maggot about his bike. Maggot, tell us about your bike. You got it in the show on the Brough Superior stand.
I'm hankering to go and have a look at it. I've got nobody to look after me.
Oh, can't you ask Martin next door?
Okay.
What about Dickie? Dickie will look after it. I've been looking at it earlier with Simon Miles. Really nice.
Yeah. I haven't seen it for a few months.
No, it's been with Simon being repaired, isn't it? Being sorted, yeah.
All the fine work has been done by Simon.
Yeah.
So it's now as it left the work.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow.
Standard ball.
Yeah. Yeah.
Absolutely every part of it has been refurbished.
Yeah. Because he knows what he's doing, doesn't he?
Yeah. Oh, God.
So what you got on board today, John? I see you've got some awesome push rods. Oh, nice alley push rods. That's good.
Only £1 each.
Only £1 each. Oh, look at it. It's not even bent. Wow. Perfect. Oh, and you've got some clamps for your handlebar levers. So if you're looking for a clamp, you're going to find they're all slightly different. If you're looking for a clamp, you'll find it here somewhere.
Yeah. £1 each.
£1 each. It's all £1. Is it all
So
£1?
cheap.
Wow. Wow. Oh, some girder fork springs. How much is that then? Yeah, that's what I charge on my stall, tenner. Yeah.
Right.
Well, I ask 11 and take 10.
Yeah.
All girder fork springs. All useful footrests. What's it say? Oh, and here we got your special box of bits and pieces.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
And I even picked up some bits here today.
Oh, you've been buying as well?
Yeah.
Ooh, no limits. Oh, what's the medal?
I bought.
Oh, that's nice. Nice remote float carburettor.
And that
But it's tiny. What's that going on?
this morning, I don't know.
You don't know, you just liked it.
It's cheap.
Sweet, isn't it? Look, a sweet little air filter on it there. Look at that. And the plate is beautiful as well. But I don't know what it's of. Nick. Yeah.
These two carburetor bits
Oh yeah,
And
just
that.
got the body, yeah.
and this little curio. I don't
Oh,
know.
some jets and stuff in
yeah,
it, yeah.
but no one seems to know what they are yet.
Oh, but the tin's beautiful as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Little Lodge spark plug tin, that's nice, so you can carry a spare plug
Yeah,
around with
and
you.
I didn't have to travel too far for them.
No,
It was only the gentleman next door,
perfect.
and I paid a mere £20 for the whole lot.
Nice, and I bet he was pleased to get rid of
He
them.
was pleased to get rid of them.
So it's out of his shed
into
and onto
my
the
cabin.
auto jumble circuit, and that'll end up on somebody's
that'll pay
bike.
for me fuel
Fantastic.
on future events. Because as you know, I don't make a lot of money on this.
No, it's the crack.
No.
It's the crack, as they say, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the fun of the fair.
There you go.
Yeah.
Nice stuff. Hang on, you've got some customers. I'll let you get on.
They all metric?
Yeah.
Right, let's go. I don't want to film this. It's got to be motorcycle stuff, otherwise people say it's a benefit.
Got a bike, so what have you got?
Yeah. Okay, mate.
Yeah, try him.
Okay, cheers.
He's got some good stuff.